Good morning and welcome back to Woodbury Cottage. In today's episode, we are making a display unit to go in our booth. Our booth is really taking off, and so we want to try to add some new things to it. In a previous video, we made these metal waste
Here's a fast and quick idea for Christmas home decor for the kitchen.
So we want to be able to
a metal
them.
dustpan,
So we've got some fern strips,
Christmas
plugs.
sticker,
These run about $2 a piece.
and there you go. Remove the sticker after Christmas and use the dustpan for the rest of the year.
It will be attached to the wall. And then we got these cup hooks. We're going to install the cup hooks. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then I do want to put a little star or something at the top. And we're going to tie them on with this twine. This is Dollar Tree twine, but it's the burlap and red, so I think that'd be cute. And where we're going to put the cup hooks in is we're just going to start a little hole and then take a screwdriver and run it through this way and then turn it and screw it in.
Chi-chi. Chi-chi.
This one don't want to start on any of them. Have to come back to that one and glue it in.
That is one spoiled chicken.
And this is how the display turned out. And after we sell the dustpans, we can use it for other things, maybe ornaments, anything like that, gifts, anything that can hang from a hook, we can use it for. That's why I only painted it white so I can use it for other holidays also. We're going to take the nail gun and just nail it straight into the wall on the booth there so we don't have to worry about it falling over. I like it. It's a cute little display, not much money. This was not much money to make, so if that would be a high profit item if they sell. You never know, they might not sell. If they don't, we'll just use them. Who can't use a dustpan? Okay.